welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I am bringing you a Meijer video. I know many of you are going to be super excited about this Meijer video. You ask me for Meijer videos all the time, but this one is specifically going to be on these Santa Bucks deals that are going on this current week. And I wanted to show you how we can do this. So all of these sale prices are running from November 5th through the 11th of 2023. And like I'm making this video on the 7th. So obviously the sale prices have been out for a while. However, we are getting these Santa Bucks for just Friday and Saturday, which has not come up the 10th and the 11th. So stick with me. I'm going to show you how to use them with sale prices and all kinds of great things that are going on. Do me a huge favor. If you like to save money at Meijer, I know I don't do a ton with Meijer, but I do sneak in here and there. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Ring the notification bell, hit all so you don't miss any of my videos, and we're going to jump right in and check out these Meijer deals that are going to be going on this particular week, especially with the Santa Bucks coming up. All right, so I wanted to show you this. This is in the ad, and I wanted to show you how this all works. So there's actually two promotions going on. So all week long, if you spend $100 or more in the store, you're going to get a $10 coupon this week that you can start using next week on the 12th. Okay, so just to be very clear, you're going to get a $10 coupon. I have not seen the coupon myself, so if you've gotten this already, let me know in the comments how it works. Is it on any specific thing? Does it exclude anything? That kind of thing. But you're going to get a $10 coupon regardless of what you spend, however you put your transactions together to get to $100. Then on top of it, on Friday and Saturday, on November 10th and 11th, we are going to get $50 worth in Santa Bucks. There's a 20, there is a 15, there's a 10, there's a 5, and there's a 50, or there's a 3. It actually ends up being $53. Now, again, I'm kind of going off of last year's Santa Buck deals. Obviously, anything can change, but we've got lots of things going on at the same time. And so I wanted to show you how you can stack all of these deals together to get amazing savings. And so let's check these out. All right, so real quick, this is a picture of last year. Just wanted to show you how this works. This was part of the ad. They did also have digitals. You will see MPerks pop up for sure. I'm wondering if they're going to have the insert coupons in, because a lot of people will use paper coupons. So you have a 3 off of $14.99 or more, 5 off of $24.99 or more. You have 10 off of $49.99 or more, 15 off of $74.99 or more, and 20 off of $99.99 or more. Now here's the deal. The item itself has to be that price, not your combined cart. It will only apply to one item. So if you buy something that's $12 and something that's $3 and you get to 15, you can't use the $3 coupon. Your item has to be $14.99 or higher in order for that $3 Santa Buck to come off, just to be very, very clear about that. So coming back to our original deals here, when I get the question about can I use more than one Santa Buck coupon in the same transaction? So in the past, the answer has been yes. This again was pulled from 2022. It is yes. You can use obviously a digital, and then you can use a paper coupon for as many items as you have. So see the answer down there. Yes, you can use multiple coupons per transaction for the same amount as long as you have separate coupon for each item. You can use 2 paper coupons for 3 off of the general merchandise purchase of $14.99 or more coupons as long as you purchase 2+ items that are more than $14.99. Okay, simple and easy. However, there's no guarantee that we're going to get the paper coupons this year. Let me know in the comments if anybody knows for sure if we're getting the paper or if it's digital only. If it's digital only, that definitely is going to limit us this year. But hey, you may have to make some decisions. What are the deals that you really, really want for Christmas? This is super early too. There's going to be a lot of people not paying attention to this Santa Buck sale because it's just early. A lot of people don't pay attention until at least Thanksgiving and sometimes afterwards. So you may be able to grab some pretty sweet deals this week with people not paying attention. But so my answer for can you use multiple coupons? You can obviously use multiple coupons if you have different priced items. Digitally, they're all going to come in. So if you have a $49.99 item, a $99.99 item, a $14.99 item, you can use 3 different Santa Bucks on it. But if you have the same priced items, let's say you have 2 or 3 items that are $14.99, If we have paper coupons, yes. If we don't have paper coupons, if it's just digital, it's going to be a one and done, unfortunately. So that's kind of stinky there. We'll have to wait and see. If anybody has any inside knowledge, please let us know. All right, let's do our first matchup here. The Nintendo Switch OLED model, the Mario Red Edition is what's in the ad, is regularly priced 30, sorry, I wish it was 30, $349.99. Now it's it's $99.99, so we can use the $20 Santa Bucks on it. Out of pocket, you're going to pay $329.99, but you're going to receive two different things. You're going to receive a $40 Catalina specifically for the Mario product. As you can see in the ad, you're also going to receive a $10 coupon. So your final cost is an extra $50 off, $279.99. That's a great deal. And it does say limit 2 coupons per offer. So if you're grabbing 2 of these, you're only going to get that $40 twice. The other thing is you probably want to split your transaction so you could get 2 of those $10 coupons. So anyway, yeah, that's a pretty decent deal there, quite a bit of savings, a total of $70 off completely. So I really love this particular deal. I will tell you though, I was looking at last year's slides and everything is more expensive. So even though it's a nice amount off, the products that we were buying last year at this time were a lot cheaper to begin with. All right, here is another one here that the regular price, it was the 9th edition or the 9th generation Apple iPad. It was a little over $300. We're looking at a regular price of $449 this year. So it completely crazy. Obviously, we can use the $20 Santa Bucks, pay out of pocket $429, and then we're going to receive a $70 Catalina specifically for the Apple iPad product and a $10 coupon for your next purchase the week later. Final cost is going to be $349. You're looking at $100 savings, which is absolutely amazing. But like I said, last year, when I was doing this, because I pull up last year's slides and kind of redo them, the 9th generation was about $350-ish last year. It might have been on sale, but I mean, that was the price. Man, we were getting a huge amount of savings there. So just take note, everything is going to be more expensive this year. All right, Apple AirPods Generation 3. These are regularly priced anywhere from $169 to $179. There are 2 different ones, the MagSafe or the Lightning. One of them is, I think the MagSafe's $169 and the Lightning's $179. I could just get it completely wrong. Both of them qualify for the $20 Santa Bucks. So out of pocket's $149 to $159 depending on which one you want. You're going to receive a $30 Catalina, as you can see from the ad picture right there, for purchasing the Apple AirPods. And then also you would receive that $10 coupon for spending $100 or more. Final cost is going to be about $109 to $119 depending on which product you pick. So nice little savings there as well. All right, next deal, I wanted to show you a product that was going to be that minimum price of $99.99. So the Ninja 5.5 quart Easy View air fryer, it's regularly priced $169, but it's on sale for $99.99. So you're getting a good $70 savings right there alone, which is great. Then we have a $20 Santa Buck that we can pair with this because it's right there at that threshold. So out of pocket is $79.99, but it's also giving you a $10 Catalina coupon, if you notice on the ad picture there. That's going to leave you at a final cost of $69.99. What an amazing price. You're looking at, again, another $100 savings from the original price. So that's a really great deal. All right, the next deal we have here is the 6-slice toaster oven air fryer. Again, regularly priced $99.99. Now, it is going to be on sale for $74.99. So that takes us off of that $20 Santa Buck. We have a $15 Santa Buck for $74.99 or higher. That's going to leave our out of pocket for $59.99, and it's also offering a $10 Catalina. So you should receive that. Final cost is going to be $49.99. It's a $50 savings from that original price, 50% off. Really great deal here as well. So if you're interested in this, take note. Just a reminder, a lot of these matchups I'm showing you have the extra Catalinas generating, but if you just find, let's say you find an air fryer or some sort of item in the kitchen area for $74.99, you can still use a $15 off Santa Buck on it. It doesn't have to have this special Catalina generating. I just wanted to show you some of the most amazing deals that we have. All right, let's talk about some toys here. So we have a Furby, this little cute Furby. Do you remember Furbies? Furbies were kind of around when I was even a kid. These are regularly priced $69.99. They're on sale for $55.99 each. It does specifically say the coral or purple, so make sure you buy the right color. There is a $10 Santa Buck that goes with this. It's for $49.99 or higher. That's going to leave your final cost at $45.99. See, there's no extra thing you're going to get with it. It's just, here's the sale price. And one other thing to note, even though the regular price is $69.99, it's always going to go by the sale price, not the regular price. So if you had something that was $74.99 that's now cheaper, it's going to go by whatever the sale price is. Next deal we have here is this Homecraft 18-quart roaster. This is a great example of what I just said. So it's regularly priced $79.99. So obviously on regular price, it would qualify for the $15 Santa Buck, but because it's on sale for $49.99, it no longer does. But it does qualify for the $10 Santa Buck, meaning the final cost is $39.99. So you're going from an $80 to a $40 price point, 50% savings on this. Really great deal. Might be something that you just need to get anyway for Thanksgiving if you're roasting your turkey. So this might be a great option for you. Maybe not as Christmas, but as a Thanksgiving thing you need. All right, next deal we have here is the Bitsy interactive digital pet. Now these are regularly priced $29.99. They're on sale for $24.99. We're moving down to the smaller Santa Buck, $5 Santa Bucks with $24.99 or more. That's going to leave your final cost as $19.99 for one of these. I remember the Tamagotchi digital pets. I used to have one when I was a kid. I know those came back for a while. Is this kind of like a replacement to that? Does anybody know? It's really, really cute. It'd be fun to grab for the kiddos. I would have probably more fun with it, but a nice little bit of savings there. You got a $10 total savings between sale price and the $5 Santa Bucks. So it might be something you want to throw in your cart for your kiddos. All right, next deal is the Zuru X-Shot Blaster. These are regularly priced $34.99. They're on sale for $27.99, and we got that $5 Santa Buck that we compare with this. Makes the final cost $22.99. Now, these Zuru, I should say, they are in the ad. There's a whole bunch of different ones. All of them are 20% off. I'm trying to find some Lego deals, too, to show you all. And they're 20% off certain ones. It's the princess ones as well as the Star Wars ones. But when I got online, they all said see price chart. So it ended up being too complicated. So I went with this particular X-Shot, the Zuru X-Shot Blaster. So, but there's a whole bunch of different ones, different prices. So take that into consideration. You may need less of a Santa Buck if your price is under that $24.99 price. All right, let's finish this off with the $3 Santa Bucks. Those $3 Santa Bucks are for anything that's $14.99 or more. If you purchase anything that's under $14.99, you don't get to use a Santa Buck on it. I'm sorry, there's no $1 Santa Bucks. I wish there were. But the December home throws are regularly priced $24.99. They're on sale for $14.99, and we have a $3 Santa Buck to pair with this particular deal, making the final cost $11.99. So again, like I said, this is a pretty awesome little thing they're offering. I will say Santa Bucks are super early this year. I was looking last year. The Santa Bucks, the first time they came out was after Thanksgiving. It was like the weekend after Thanksgiving. So we're seeing them super early now. We may see them a couple times leading up to Christmas. Again, I don't know their schedule or anything like that. So as I see it pop up, I will definitely bring you more deals. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. But do you plan on going to Meijer? Do you plan on using your Santa Bucks this weekend? Let me know in the comments below. Have a wonderful, wonderful week, and I will see you later. Bye, guys.